Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Portal Craft. This class offers a distinct playstyle centered around mechanical creations. You'll primarily engage with two powerful archetypes: artifacts, which are specialized cards you generate and fuse, and puppets, which are zero play point followers. Portal Craft rewards strategic thinking and careful resource management, allowing you to dominate the board and set up devastating late-game plays. Get ready to forge your destiny with intricate mechanics and powerful constructs. Artifact Portal Craft lets you play as an engineer, building powerful constructs. You'll generate gears of remembrance and ambition, then fuse them to create stronger artifacts. For example, combining a 3-cost artifact with 2 gears yields an ominous artifact beta. Your ultimate goal is often to fuse 3 distinct 5-cost ominous artifacts into the Masterwork Artifact Omega, a 10-attack storm follower with powerful effects, typically around turn 10. The puppet playstyle focuses on overwhelming your opponent with numerous small, efficient followers. Puppets are zero play point cards with rush, meaning they can attack the turn they are played. This allows for excellent board control and consistent damage. Many puppet cards synergize, becoming stronger or activating special abilities when puppets are generated, played, or destroyed. Managing your puppets wisely is key to maintaining tempo and setting up powerful finishing moves. Beyond artifacts and puppets, understanding resonance is crucial. This mechanic activates when your deck contains an even number of cards, empowering specific card effects. Strategic card play, like drawing or adding cards to your deck, helps manage resonance for optimal timing. Some players also combine artifact and puppet strategies into powerful hybrid decks, offering flexible control and aggressive options. Always adapt your approach to counter your opponent's strategy and secure victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.